What up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back here working on the 2016 Hellcat. So 2 days ago exactly, not your time but my time, I found out that the frame was bent. So now I got the trailer hooked up, we got the Hellcat about to get loaded up, and we're gonna head to the frame shop and get this thing right. So yeah, that left driver's side frame rail is tweaked. So what a frame machine does is it bends it back and does it all the right way. I mean, it clamps it down and all this stuff. You guys are gonna see that soon. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up and head out to the frame machine and get this thing back on the road, hopefully sooner than later. So let's get this thing loaded up and we're gonna head out. Alright guys, so we're all loaded up, I'm all strapped down. I'm just gonna bungee cord down this hood so it don't fly up while we're driving, and I'm gonna head out to this frame machine. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we're at the frame shop, about to unload this thing, get it on the frame machine, and get this thing pulled out. So we're going to unload it, grab it with the forklift, or the wrecker, and back it up on the frame machine in there, and get this thing all pulled out, get this rebar mounted up, and then hopefully we'll be good. See how long this takes, probably a couple hours, but we'll get it. So let's pull this thing off. Alright guys, so as you can see from that footage, it's all clamped down now. The reason you clamp that on the actual pinch weld is so there's no give. So when you're pulling and yanking on the frame, it's not like stretching or anything, because if you just strap it down, I mean, it's just gonna wanna give. So that's the reason you pinch it on the pinch weld and you really clamp it down. So pretty much the car and the frame is one with the table. It's one piece. So all of the force from the chains on pulling on it is just going straight to that frame rail. So now we're gonna figure out what clamps we're gonna use and clamp the frame itself and then start pulling. And the first thing we gotta do though is figure out what angle and what, if we're going out first or out this way or out this way. We gotta figure out that first, but we're figuring it out now. We're working quick. They're working quick. I can only do so much. Like I said, I don't really do this stuff, so that's why we're here. But it's coming along, so let's keep going at it. Alright guys, so things are moving right along. Everything's going perfect right now. I'm at my truck grabbing the reinforcement. The reinforcement is that front crash bar right there. I'm grabbing this and then we're going to bolt this up and see how far we are off. And then that's how we're gonna align, and then we're gonna measure, make sure everything's straight. We're actually moving really quick. It's only been maybe an hour and a half since we started. So it's going along great. So let's grab this, go bolt it up and see how far off we are. So hopefully, we don't gotta do another pull, but if we do, no worries. We're gonna take care of it. So let's grab this and let's head back. Alright guys, so we just got the rebar, the front crash support all bolted up.
Yep.
How's that looking? It's all level?
All level, nice and level.
What do we do, 2 or 3 pulls, something like that, but it's all straight. We just put the level on it, we made sure the machine's level, everything was perfect, and I mean, we're good to go.
Yeah.
This man right here knocked it out of the park. Ain't nothing. Came down here on a Saturday too. But now we're just gonna hook up this, what is that, the pump or whatever for the intercooler, and then we're gonna get this thing back off the machine, and then I get this thing back to the shop, get this thing finished up. So it's a pretty solid day. We've only been here for about an hour or two, and yeah, I mean, everything went smoothly. So let's get this thing bolted back up, and we'll pull this thing off the machine.
Yeah, we're all squared, level, ready to go.
Alright guys, so I just got in my truck. We're about to load this thing up. The frame is perfect, it's level, it's square, everything's like literally perfect. So that's awesome. I was kind of stressing a little bit, but nothing to worry about. So let's load this thing up and say thank you and head out of here. So let's roll out. Alright guys, so loading up was probably the hardest part of the whole process. The winch was only a 5,000 pound winch, and honestly it was more user error than the problem with like the winch or anything, but we figured it out. It probably took an hour to load it up though, because of a whole bunch of just stupid things that we were doing, but we figured it out, and now I'm heading out. As you can see, it's all strapped up, it's all secure, and now I'm just doing a little U-turn. We're gonna head out of here, and we're gonna go home. So it was a long day. It's only 1 o'clock because we started early, but it was a good day because we got this thing all figured out. So about to roll out of here, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the way home. I'm standing outside the window. 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 I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop. We're about to get this thing unloaded. The frame's all straight now, and we actually had some parts come in too, so that's good news. It's been 2 days since I fixed the frame. I had some things I had to do before I could actually unload it, but we're here. We're gonna get this thing unloaded, put it in the shop, and then I'll catch you guys then. So let's get this thing off and put it back in the shop. Alright guys, so we got this thing all back in the shop. We got the whole front frame rail on. Now we just have to paint it up, paint the frame rail, get the front bumper on, get the whole crash support brace, and then the whole headlight assemblies and all that stuff all bolted up. And this front end's gonna be back together in no time. We still have to run all new fluids, all that good stuff too, but other than that, it's gonna be looking real good. overall, I mean, the whole build's coming together and I'm looking forward to it. So I'll catch you guys next episode and we'll get this thing back together. So thanks for watching and peace. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside the window. I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time.